glue boards become a concrete way to show customers pest activity and guide targeted treatments. When integrating glue boards into routine service, start by mapping customer-requested locations and known pest pathways so placement is strategic and repeatable. Use a rotation schedule of every 7 to 14 days, depending on pest pressure and environmental factors, so you maintain fresh adhesive performance and clear comparative data. Photograph each board at installation and at removal to create a simple visual record and add concise notes about location, species apparent, and count in the service report so customers can see trends over time. For sensitive settings, offer non-lethal alternatives such as catch and release traps or pheromone monitoring to respect customer preferences while still gathering ingress data. Train technicians to handle boards with gloves, to label boards consistently, and to replace soiled boards immediately to avoid false negatives from dust or debris. Package glue boards as an optional add-on service with clear pricing and expected outcomes so customers can choose increased monitoring for reassurance or during high-risk seasons. 3 common mistakes are placing boards in low-traffic or irrelevant spots, which yields misleading low captures, failing to document and communicate findings, which leaves customers unconvinced, and leaving boards in place too long so adhesive becomes ineffective. Place boards along walls, near entry points, and by food or water sources to get meaningful captures. Always include photos and a short summary in the report and explain what the captures imply for prevention and treatment. Replace or rotate boards on the scheduled cadence and check adhesive condition at each visit to ensure data reliability. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share monitoring approaches like glue board integration so homeowners can choose providers who match their preferences. Our community discussions let homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and learn practical best practices together.